away. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Good morning, Jeremiah's Place. It's time for another Animal Facts video with Jesse. Today I will be teaching you about birds. Birds are all animals with feathers, wings, lay eggs, and are warm-blooded. As you may remember from the turtle video, warm-blooded animals are animals that produce body heat from the food they eat. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world, living in every continent. 542 of these species can be found here in New Mexico. Birds are lighter than most animals their size because they have hollow bones, allowing them to fly. Some birds, like penguins and ostriches, cannot fly. The smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird. It is only 2 inches long and weighs less than a coin. The largest bird is the ostrich at 9 feet tall and 250 pounds. The largest bird capable of flight is the great bustard that weighs up to 44 pounds and is 4 feet tall. Not surprisingly, the bee hummingbird and the ostrich also have the smallest and largest egg sizes of any birds, respectively. The bee hummingbird lays eggs the size of a pea, while ostriches lay eggs the size of a cantaloupe. Not surprisingly, the most common bird in the world is the chicken. 20% of bird species migrate, meaning that they travel long distances for food or to avoid extreme temperatures. The longest migration in the world belongs to the Arctic tern, that travels all the way from the North Pole to the South Pole, circling the entire planet. Bird migration is possible because of birds' exceptional navigational abilities. Some birds have been taught to fly to certain locations as a result, like homing pigeons that have been used to deliver messages. Birds communicate using a large variety of chirps. Some birds, like parrots and ravens, can even copy human speech. While these birds can learn to copy human speech, they do not understand it themselves.
Ravens are excellent at mimicking sounds they hear. Mischief, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good bird. He does all sorts of voices. You say, hi.
Hi.
Good job. And sometimes he hears people who have a cold. Good job, Mischief.
A bird's eyes take up half the space in its skull, compared to humans where our eyes only take up 5%. Having bird eyes would be like having eyes the size of baseballs. The fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon, which can dive bomb at its prey at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, far faster than any car you've been in. People who study and watch birds for a hobby are called birders. Serious birders travel around the world to observe and study birds. While birders do it for fun, they often help scientists by sharing their notes and discoveries with them. These scientists who study birds for a living are called ornithologists. Several members of my family are birders of various seriousness. My Georgian cousin is a very serious birder who is getting his ornithology degree in college. My brother loves to take his bird of all New Mexico birds when we go hiking or to the bosque. That's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new.